जियोग्राफी का कोर्स टेस्ट सीरीज यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करूँगा, तो इस वीडियो आप देखते रहे। तो फर्स्ट जो यूनिट था फिजिकल जियोग्राफी, तो इसके कोर्स यहाँ पे टेस्ट सीरीज दिया था, और सब कोर्स यहाँ पे जो टेस्ट सीरीज था अराउंड 7,700 क्वेश्चन MCQ क्वेश्चन है प्रीलिम्स के लिए। तो यहाँ पे मैं आज प्रैक्टिस करूँगा 700 क्वेश्चन को। पहले क्वेश्चन था, with the reference to the origin of our universe and the solar system, consider the following pairs: idea, proposition, nebula, nebular hypothesis. The nebula hypothesis idea is a proposition the planet were the form from the cloud of the material associated with the youthful sun. Correct. This is the correct. Yeah. Big Bang theory. The universe is the continuously expanding. The binary theory. The planet were the form after the collision of the sun with the another star. How many of the pairs given the above are correct? Only one, only two, or three? None. Nebular hypothesis is the correct. The planet were the from Big Bang theory. Pair is the only one. Big Bang theory. The universe. Big Bang theory. The universe is the continuously expanding is the correct answer. The Big Bang theory, the universe is the continuously expanding. Binary theory, the planets were formed after the collisions of the sun and other star. All of the correct. C option is the correct. All three. With the reference to the gaseous hypothesis, consider the following statement. According to the gaseous hypothesis, the formulating matters in the universe was the substance created coal and monotonous. Number two statement, the transformation of the cold formated matter into the hot nebula is that attributed to the friction entities heating causes by the collision of the practicals. Which of the statement given the above is are correct? Only one both. Consider the following. Observations of the supernova, leadership of the galaxy, theory of the general relativity. Consider the following. Observation of the supernova, redshift of the galaxy, theory of the general relativity. How many of the above the support the concept of the expansion of the universe? Only one, only two, all of them. Consider the following. The observation of the supernova is the correct. Redshifts of the galaxy, theory of the general relativity, all three correct. With the reference to the formation of the planet, consider the following statement. Stars are the format from the locales, the lumps of the gas within the nebula. The planetations are the formed through the oceans on the small round outside. With the reference to the formation of the planets, consider the following statement. Stars are formed from the locales lumps of the gas within the nebula. Planetations are formed through the cohesion of the small round object. Which of the statement given above is the incorrect? Only one, two only, both one and two, neither one and two. Stars are the formed from the location lumps of the gas with a nebula. The planetations are the formed through the cohesions of the small round object. Which of the statements given above is are incorrect? Neither one or two. One nor two. Consider the following statement. The first stage of the evolution of the earth is the marked by the loss of the primordial atmosphere. Containing water, hydrogen, nitrogen, methane, argon, or abandoning free oxygen. Which of the statements given above is not correct? Not correct. The first stage of the evolution of the earth is the marked by the loss of the polluted atmosphere. The yearly atmosphere largely contained water, the vapor, nitrogen, methane, argon, and the abundant fuels. Which of the statement given above given above is are not correct. Only one, two, both one and two, neither one or not two. Conclusion on two only. Consider the following the event with the reference to the evolution of the atmosphere. Initiations of the photosynthesis, laws of the primordial atmosphere of the earth. Integration because of the continuous volcanic eruption, flooding of the atmosphere by oxygen, formation of the since which one of the following defect is the correct chronological order of the three, four. Option number B 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. 2, 1. 3, 5. Consider the following event of the reference to the evolution of atmosphere. Also the formated atmosphere of the earth. There is a decreasing because of the continuous volcanic eruption, formation of the ocean, initiation of the photosynthesis, flooding of the atmosphere by oxygen. The sixth number correct option is that option number C is the correct. With the reference to the earth, moon, consider the following the statement. The earth and the moon the form at the same time as a single rotating body. Regulating is the residual material that lies over a layer of the solid bedrock of the moon. Selenography is the scientific study of the moon. How many of the above given the statement are correct? Only one on the two. All three, none. The reference to the earth, moon, consider the following the statement. The earth and the moon form at the same time as a single rotating body. The regularity is the residual material that lies over the layer of the solid bedrock on the moon. Selenography is the scientific study of the moon. How many of the above given the statement are correct? Only two is the correct. B. Consider the following the statement about the planets is the solar system. Consider the following the statement about planets is the solar system. Other planets are the smaller in the size and have even this the surface. Densities and solid rocky surface. Other planets are the smaller in the size and the great in the surface. Inner planets have the given density and the solid rocky surface. Which of the statements given above is correct? Both. Two only correct. Two. Option number one, only one, two only, both one and two, neither one or not. Two only. Which of the following the statement is the correct regarding the planets of the solar system? Mercury is the smallest and the hottest planet with a thick atmosphere composed mainly of the carbon dioxide. Not correct. Not correct. Mercury is the smallest and the hottest, not the hottest planet with a thick, not thick atmosphere, and the composition is of the carbon dioxide. Not correct. Jupiter has the atmosphere composed primarily of the hydrogen and ammonia. Not correct. Venus and Uranus rotate in the same direction as are other planets in the solar system. Not correct. Venus has much the hotter atmosphere. Venus is the much the hotter atmosphere, correct? And then Earth and the breeze in the carbon dioxide and the cloud of the sulfuric acid. Correct answer. This is the 9 is the D option correct. Venus has a mass hotter atmosphere than Earth. Release in carbon dioxide and cloud of sulfuric acid. With the reference to the other to all the Jovian planet, consider the following the statement. The Jovian planet have the larger size and the lower densities that compared to the terrestrial planet. These planets form at greater distance from the sun, where the less intense solar winds allow to the retention of gases. All the Jovian planets have the solid rocky surface due to their formation in the cold region. How many of the statements given above are correct? This is the referent utter. Compared to the distant planet, this planet formed at the greater distance from the sun, where the last indigenous solar owns the allowed for the presumption of cases. All the Jovian planets have the solid rocky surface due to their formation in cold regions. How many of the statements given above are correct? Only one, only two. One, three. No. Jovian are the correct. Two. This one. Eclipse. The whole eclipse come. Which not the select the correct answer using the code given. 2 and 3. Consider the following statement with reference to the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. Option number 1. The solar eclipse happened during the full moon phase, whereas the lunar eclipse occurred during the new moon phase. Solar eclipse during the full moon phase. The solar eclipse can only be the total, while lunar eclipse total lunar eclipse can be the partial or the total. Which of the statement given above is are incorrect? Incorrect. Both 1 and 2. Option C, both. Which of the following past decrease describes? Which of the following best describe the term? Is it the hello? Sometimes they mention in the news. The term is to describe the bright halo around the earth. This one always is the spirit scattering or sunlight. The phenomenon of the sampling incubation is the special during it is the scan through the earth atmosphere. The phenomenon is accurate or straight with the moon surface, the creator and a surrounding hollow of the ejected material. The phenomena observed one other material or asteroid collides with the moon's surface, creating either a crater and a surrounding hollow or ejected material. Correct. Which of the following describe the term ejecta hollow? Sometimes they mention in the news. The phenomena of the observed one other material or the asteroid collides. C is the correct answer. B, the term is to describe the feeling of and difference from around either due to the gravitational pull or it is the moon or moons. With reference to the zero shadow day, consider the following day statement. Zero shadow day. With the reference to the zero shadow day, consider the following day statement. The shadow day occurs once every year at all the locations between the two tropics. Only one is the correct. This is the Earth. This is the correct. Two tropics. Not correct. Zero shadow day occurs once every year at all the locations between the two tropics. No. And number two option, the Earth's axial tilt the plays a role in the observation of the zero shadow. Correct is the zero shadow. The Earth's axial tilt plays a role in the observance of the zero shadow. Is it correct? The question is the which of the statement given above are the incorrect? One is the incorrect, only one. Which of the following the phenomena is responsible for the occurrence of the auroras, also known as the polar lights, reflecting of the sunlight by ice crystal in the polar region? Scattering of the light by the water droplet in the polar atmosphere, emissions of the light from the volcanic eruption near the poles. Which of the following the phenomena is the responsible for the occurrence of the auroras, also known as polar light? Reflection of the sunlight by the ice crystal in the polar region, the scattering of the light by the water droplet in the polar atmosphere, emission of the light from the volcanic eruption near the poles, the excitations of the atmosphere molecules is the causes by the solar wind tactics that are the the option is the correct. Which of the following the responsible? Consider the following this statement regarding the geometric storm. It occurs due to coronal mass ejections. It is a result in the increase in the earth. If the occur due to the coronal mass ejection. It result in the increase in the earth magnetic field distance. It has no the impact on the satellite communication and the power grid. How many of the statements given above are incorrect? Consider the following the statement regarding the geometric storm. It occurs due to the coronal mass ejection. It resultant is in the increase in the earth magnetic field distance. It has no the impact on the satellite communication and the power grid. How many of the statements given above are the incorrect? Only one, only two, all three, no. It occurred due to the coronal mass ejection is the correct. It result in, and the number 2 option is the result in, and the increases in earth magnetic field stand. Not correct. Incorrect. It has no the impact on the satellite communication and the power grid. It has no impact on the satellite communication and the power grid. Incorrect. System number answer is the only 2. And this is how many the statement given above are the incorrect? Only 2. Consider the following the statement regarding Trojans. Regarding Trojans. Consider the following the statements regarding Trojans. These are asteroids found in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. These are asteroids found in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. These are called the Earth cruiser as they cross the Earth orbit. Which of the statements given is correct? Neither. 1 nor 2. With reference to the astronomical event, consider the following statement. With the reference astronomical event, consider the following statement. A nova expansion occurs in a binary system consisting of a white dwarf and a man square system Number two is the either supernova result in the production of the element heavier than iron. Which of the above the statement is the correct? Only one, only two, both one and two. This with the reference to the astronomical event. Consider the following statement. Astronomical event. The nova explanation occur in the binary system consisting of the white dwarf and the main sequence star. Number two is the option. The supernova result in the products of the element and heavier than iron. Thank you so much.